Okay, once you've got your USB set up, you back up your data, reinstall the software. So what to do next? We open up the software and then click on create volume. Okay, on the pop-up windows it shows you three options: create a file container, create a volume within a non-system partition, and encrypt the system partition or entire system drive. For our case, I just want to show you how to build or how to create a password protected and and encrypted partition on your USB drive. So it will be the second option. Click on the second option, click next, and then choose the standard TrueCrypt volume. You can actually create a hidden TrueCrypt volume. The two things are: if you create a standard TrueCrypt volume, it is a password protected. If your password protected, if your password actually been force given to someone else, or someone pointing their gun on your head, then you have to give them password, right? So you create the hidden TrueCrypt volume. But for our demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you the standard one. So just go and click on the standard TrueCrypt volume like this one. Click on next, and then select device. The select device will be my USB drive. Okay, my one will be a J drive. It can be a D drive for you or E drive for you. It depends. Okay, you will see it here. A hard disk 2 removable. Okay, notice that removable. So for USB flash drive, it has to be removable. So you choose that option. Click on the one with the drive letter. Okay, click on OK, and then click on TrueCrypt. It will ask you if you want to encrypt the entire disk, or just use a file container. But because we have backup files copied somewhere else, so I will choose yes. I choose yes. Make sure never save history is checked. Click on next, and then for this one you have to use check on. You have to choose the encryption algorithm. Okay, I will recommend use AES. AES is a US military or government type of encryption standard. So just choose that one, and then everything stay on default. Click on next. Okay, you can't choose the volume size because it is fixed. Click on next, and then for this one you have to choose. For this one you have to choose or create a password. Okay, as it suggests, the software suggests you to create a password that is 20 characters long, and with special characters like the the hat symbol, equal signs, dollar signs, star signs, plus signs, and alphabets and digits, all mixed. But for my case, I'm going to create a password which is 8 characters long, and then okay, the password has to be about 20 characters long, or if you put 8 characters there, it doesn't work. Okay, you can use the key files, or you don't want to use a key file. Key file basically is a random sort of file that extra protect your drive from being accessed later. Okay, you don't have to use it, so just check no. Click on next, and then for this one We are using FAT because this USB drive we're using FAT, and just choose default one. And okay, for this one is using a random pool. Make sure you are moving your mouse before you format your drive. Okay, when you're ready, click on format, and then just yes, and the drive there. Okay, it will take for a moment, so we pause the video for a minute. Okay, once that's finished, it will prompt you a message saying the partitioner device cannot be mounted using the drive letter J, etc., etc. Click on OK. I'll show you how to do it. And the forum has been successfully created. OK. And next, well, just cancel or exit. That's it. So how to use this drive? Okay, you go back to the crypt control panel. And then choose the drive letters, for example K, and then click on mount. No, sorry. Actually, select the file first, or select device. You select device, click on J, OK, mount, and then you ask for a password. So copy and paste the password there. Okay, and then it was mounted like here. Okay, if you go back to the Window Explorer, you'll see they remove the this J there, but you can't actually access this. Okay, because it's encrypted, and you have to use the K. K is there. If I want to copy back my file, just go back to the C drive, USB, backup, select all. You can type Control C for copy or Control X for cut, and then go to the K drive, type Control V, V for Victor or Victory, and then paste it there. And that's it. You've got back my files here. Once you finish that, go back to the TrueCrypt control panel, click on dismount, and your drive now gone. If you go back to the my computer, okay, my computer, okay, you don't see the K drive anymore. If you try access the J drive, it's just say it will prompt you is not formatted. So I've got the encrypted drive.